Hello guys, today I will give you daily combo cards on Hamster Kombat. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel GurusHub, please click the subscribe button and then click the like button and leave a comment. That will make YouTube recommend my video. Thank you very much and stay tuned. Okay, let's go to our mind. Right now we will go to specials. First we will locate YouTube group down below. Here, right, so let's go to a new card. So in new card you'll find every nutrition hamster. Get it. Let's go to parenting. We find what's the name, partnership program. So here you are fully unlock your 5 million prize. So guys, please leave a like, comment and click the subscription button if you have not subscribed to my channel. Please watch my videos, recommend it, share it to Facebook so your friends can also see it and get some help. Thank you guys. You do not need to pay anything, just help me. Click the like button, subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you guys.